Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 8. Congratulations, we are officially more than halfway through the semester, so hang in there, we're almost done now. Okay, so this module, our big thing is the field-specific project. Hopefully you've already, identified your person to interview, and this is the week to really work on that and submit. Under the readings, so because we're kind of halfway, I have a little bit of an overview of things that people usually get wrong or like things that people usually struggle with. So there's a PowerPoint there, and under the videos there's a video of me explaining some of the things that people, generally struggle with. So make sure you go over those, because the quiz this week is actually going to be a longer quiz that's a little bit of a review of everything we've done so far. So if there was any topic that you didn't get before, make sure you get it now. Okay, there's also the readings. There's also some articles that you will mention in your discussion board. So we do have a discussion post due Wednesday. Make sure that you, in your initial post, you talk about the articles and mention a few things from your field specific projects. Again, for the assignments, so there's no speaking assignment. There's just the discussion board, the quiz, which is going to be a longer quiz, and then the field specific project. So make sure you're working on all those things. Just a little note that I will be out of the country from March 1st until March 9th. So I will be checking email. I'll have my phone, but I won't have my access to D2L and computer and everything. So if you have any really pressing questions, please ask me before March 1st. So by February 29th. Otherwise, like I said, I will be able to answer emails, but I won't be super able to check everything on D2L. So we're about to have spring break. So I hope everybody has a great spring break. Let me know if you have any questions, y nos vemos pronto.